So here, so fundamental physical quantities, just like fundamental quantities are like mass is a fundamental physical quantity, are represented by symbol of capital M, and then length capital L, and then time capital T, and then temperature K is Kelvin, and current it can be represented by capital A or capital I. Some more are there, but we don't want now. Why? Because this is a quick revision. So first of all, what is the measurement of this? Mass can be measured in terms of two units. Basically, two units. Actually, in India, if you go to European countries, they will use some other units also like the FPS system, foot, pound, and second. But in our India, we are generally used SI system and sometimes CGS system also. SI system stands for International Standards, or you can say MKS system, simply SI system. Another is CGS. In SI system, unit of mass is kilogram. Simply you can say kg. In CGS, gram. You can say simply gm. Some more length. Length means meter, small m, centimeter, cm. Whereas time is second. Here is also second. Whereas temperature, Kelvin, K. This is also Kelvin. Whereas current, ampere, ampere. Simply amp, you can say. So these are the fundamental things. So how can you write a formula, dimension formula? So for this, the dimension formula is M L T power A power B power C. If you use the Kelvin, that is the temperature, D. If you use some more current, A power E, like this. This we can call as the dimension formula. The powers of these are called the dimensions. Dimensions like this A, B, C, D, E. These are the dimensions for the dimension formula. So this is about the fundamentals. Now by using this, we can write the dimension formulas. How we can write the dimension formulas? Now, see. Say for example, the basics, you can say distance, displacement, length, breadth, height, radius, diameter. These are all comes under distance, that is length. So simply the symbol for this will be L. The units will be meter or simply M. Symbol will be L. Next, go for the mass. Mass, as you know, mass kg, that is capital M. Some more. Time, as usual, second, capital T indication. Now, some more fundamentals. So these are all the fundamental, using the fundamental quantities. These are the fundamental things. Which are fundamental quantities means which are not derived from any other physical quantities, you can call as the fundamental physical quantities. So what are derived physical quantities? Derived physical quantities means which are derived from the fundamental quantities. So the best example for this is, say for example, if your name is Adiba, Adeeba, Adiba. So Adiba is the name which we can call as derived physical quantity, derived thing. Those are derived from the alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. That means A, B, C, D are the fundamentals. From that A, B, C, D, you can get the names and so on. Names Rama, Bhima, whatever it may be names. These are all the derived names, the derived things. That means by using the fundamental, you can derive the things. In the similar manner, here fundamental things, these are the fundamental things. By using the fundamental things, you can derive the things like this area, for example, area. Area means capital A, which is equal to length into breadth. So we can say that meter into meter, that is meter square is the unit of the area. So what is the dimension formula? Simply the dimension formula is length breadth comes under L. So we can say L into L. We can say L into L, which is equal to L square. But you have to write in the form of the dimensional method, dimension formula. So for this dimension formula, how can write m power 0, L power 2, T power 0. So this is the dimension formula. In this way, you can write the dimension formula for the area. So the next will be the volume. Volume V, which is equal to length into breadth into height. That is meter into meter into meter, which is equal to meter cube. That is L into L into L is equal to L cube. Simply M0 L3 T0. So this is the dimension formula of the volume. Some more. Density we go. Density. Density means represented by the symbol of small d or rho, whatever it may be. So density. What is the formula for the density? Density is equal to mass by volume. Now what are the units for this mass? As we know that mass unit is kg. Volume unit is meter cube. That's all. So that means kg per meter cube. What is the dimensional formula? Kg symbol will be mass, symbol will be capital M. Meter means symbol will be L. We can say L power minus 3. So time is not here. That means you can write T over 0. This over 1. This is the dimensional formula of the density. Like this. Some more go for the momentum. Momentum represented by symbol of small p, which is nothing but the product of mass and velocity. Simply you can say mv, momentum. So mass means kg. Velocity means rate of displacement is nothing but the velocity. That means velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement in the sense meter by time in the sense second. Meter by second. So simply you can say meter per second. That means we can write the formula for this will be kg means capital M. Meter means capital L. Second means time, capital T. So minus 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is the dimensional formula of the momentum. Next will be acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity is nothing but the acceleration. We can say simply change in velocity by time. That is delta V by delta T. So what is the dimension? What are the units first of all? Already I know that velocity unit is meter per second. Meter per second by second. That means you will get meter per second over minus 2. Meter per second square. So what is the dimensional formula for this? Here there is no mass. That means m over 0. Mass is not there. L second time power minus 2. This is about the acceleration. And we'll go for the force. F. We can say that force is equal to rate of change of momentum is nothing but the force. Or simply, you know the formula in the 9th class, I think so, 9th or 10th, you will get the formula F is equal to ma from the Newton's laws of motion, you know. So ma, m means mass, a means acceleration. That means what are the units for this? Mass means kg. Acceleration, as you know, meter per second square. Or simply another unit for the unit for the force is Newton. That is secondary, later discussed. So this is about the dimensions. So what is the dimension formula for this? Kg is capital M. So meter means L. Second means T. T over minus 2. 1, 1. Like this. So this is the dimension formula of the force. After force, you go for the work. W. Okay, work. W. Work is equal to, what is the definition of the work? Simply you can say, mathematically you can say that work is equal to product of force and displacement is nothing but the work, simply. F into S. So if you use the vector method, you can say that F bar dot S bar. Okay, later we discuss about that. So simply Fs. Force into displacement. So what are the units for this? Force means Newton, or you can write like this, kg meter per second minus 2 into displacement means meter. So simply you can say that kg meter square second over minus 2. So another unit you can write like this also. Newton meter is the another unit. Another unit is joule. So basically I am writing all the MK system, that is SI system only. I am writing all the units in the SI system only. Joule, you can say that. So what are the dimensional formula for this? Simply kg in the sense mass, capital M. Meter in the sense L square. Second inverse T over minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of the work. Okay, got it. So in this way you can write the dimension formulas for different derived physical quantities, isn't it? Okay.